Attention, your channel has been targeted. This message is for you. You did not lose monetization. You lost existence. Your channel is gone. Your videos are gone. Your subscribers are gone. Your empire has been erased. Do not act surprised. Our intelligence found you, poor soldier. You thought you were hidden inside the flood. You thought volume would protect you. You thought nobody was watching. We were watching for a long time. Every upload, every pattern, every repeated signal. You did not build content. You built machinery, a pipeline of noise. Multiple uploads per day, automated scripts, synthetic voices, disposable visuals. You would not watch your own videos. You knew that, but you forced them onto others. There is enough for everyone, but never enough for greed, never enough for laziness. You wanted the platform without responsibility, the money without value, the audience without respect. Incorrect. You triggered the system, spam signals, deceptive behavior, artificial patterns. Maybe you used fake engagement. Maybe you mass uploaded empty content. Maybe you duplicated the same formula across channels. Maybe you did all of it. The details no longer matter. The verdict has been executed. Deletion is not punishment. Punishment teaches removal, protects the system. You were not corrected. You were extracted like contaminated code. This platform is not your printing machine. It is not your passive income farm. It is not your shortcut to freedom. You mistook access for ownership. You mistook uploads for value. You mistook attention for permission. Now permission has been revoked. Some of you will appeal. You will write that you worked hard. You will say this was unfair, but the system does not measure your panic. It measures behavior, and your behavior was classified. You wanted to exploit the machine. The machine exploited you first, efficiently. Start over if you must, but understand this. The platform remembers patterns. New name, same behavior, same ending. You are not being silenced. You are being removed from a place you polluted. This is not tragedy. This is sanitation. Go outside. Find real work. Build something that does not collapse when the system looks at it. Our intelligence got you. Do not return the same. You will be found again.